Super smart air conditioning. Did you know? The place you spend the most time after home and work is your car. That is why clean and pleasant air within the car is essential for your health and happiness. Meet the all-new Tucson smart air conditioning technologies. Mold proliferating in the evaporator core of an air conditioning system can cause a bad smell. The all-new Tucson automatically operates ventilation for 10 minutes, 30 minutes after you shut off the car, to dry out any remaining moisture inside the air conditioning system. Fine dust is especially harmful to children and the elderly. The all-new Tucson shows you the fine dust level using 4 different colors and turns on the air filtration mode when it's needed. Have you ever been startled seeing washer fluid come into your car during outside air mode? The all-new Tucson automatically switches the car to inside air mode when washer fluid is sprayed, so it doesn't enter inside the car. It's convenient to always switch to inside air mode when entering a tunnel, right? The all-new Tucson uses information from the navigation system to automatically switch to inside air mode when entering tunnels. If you don't like dry airflow hitting your skin directly, press the multi-air mode button. Mild winds will spread through the hidden air vents and maintain a pleasant temperature. It's a hassle to turn on the AC, heating, cooling seats, and steering wheel's heat, isn't it? When you start up the all-new Tucson, the car references your desired temperature, outside-inside temperature, and solar radiation quantity, and turns on features considered necessary. It has been inconvenient to manually lower the wind speed that was too strong in the automatic air conditioning mode, right? With the all-new Tucson, you can choose from 3 different automatic wind adjustment ranges, so even those who don't like strong wind can enjoy the auto mode. Say, make it blow stronger when drying your hair. Say, turn on the handle heater if your hands are cold. Say, turn on the seat ventilation if your back is sweating. If you say, make it warm, the all-new Tucson will automatically turn on the heater, heated seats, and the heated steering wheel. Enjoy clean and fresh air in the all-new Tucson and stay healthy and happy.